Your shortcut to a brighter existence. Healing, one thought at a time. If you've been living with a brain that sometimes feels like a bad roommate, leaving messes, turning up the volume on self-doubt at 2 a.m., and forgetting to pay the mental peace bill, you're in the right place. Here, we don't just talk about feeling better someday. We create tiny, doable, right-now moments that turn into a brighter existence without burning you out. So grab your tea, or coffee, or, let's be honest, your emergency chocolate stash, and let's start healing, one thought at a time. Section 1. The Philosophy of a Brighter Existence. Life has two voices in your head. One says, "You've got this." The other says, "Remember that awkward thing you did in 2012? Which one you feed determines how you see the world. A brighter existence isn't about silencing the negative voice completely. It's about giving the kind, encouraging one a megaphone. Section 2. The Healing Power of Words. Your words are spells. Not the kind with wands and cloaks, though I wouldn't mind one, but the kind that rewire your brain. Science calls it neuroplasticity. I call it changing your life without moving to a cabin in the woods. Every time you choose an affirmation, you're training your mind to expect peace, joy, and self-respect. Example, if your usual thought is, "I'm so overwhelmed," switch it to, "I am allowed to move at my own pace." At first, it feels fake, like wearing someone else's shoes, but after a while, it starts to fit. Section 3. Quick, powerful affirmations. Let's build your toolkit. Here are affirmations you can grab in seconds. For anxiety, I am safe in this moment. I am breathing in peace, exhaling tension. For self-doubt, I trust my inner wisdom more than outside noise. I am a work in progress, and that is beautiful. For forgiveness, I forgive to free myself. Pro tip, don't just say them, feel them. Put your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and speak like you mean it. Section 4. Forgiveness and self-compassion rituals. Let's talk about mental clutter. Forgiveness is not about saying what happened was okay. It's about deciding that your peace is worth more than your resentment. Ritual. Write the name of the person or situation. Under it, write, "I forgive to free myself." Read it out loud 3 times, then tear the paper up. You're telling your brain, "We're done carrying this weight." Self-compassion works the same way. Every time you beat yourself up for a mistake, swap it for, "I am learning. I'm allowed to get this wrong and still be worthy." Section 5. A real-life story. A listener once emailed me saying she had tried every self-help tip on the internet. Nothing stuck. Until she started each morning with one simple sentence. I am safe to receive good things today. Within months, she landed her dream job, reconnected with an old friend, and told me it's like the universe finally knew where to find me. Section 6. Humor break. Let's normalize the messy middle of healing. Like trying meditation and realizing you just spent 10 minutes planning your dinner. Or saying affirmations in the mirror and accidentally discovering a toothpaste stain on your shirt from 3 days ago. The point isn't perfection, it's persistence. Section 7. The 7-Day Brighter Existence Challenge. Here's your simple, no excuses challenge. Day 1. Choose one affirmation and repeat it morning and night. Day 2. Add deep breathing while you say it. Day 3, write it on a sticky note where you'll see it often. Day 4, say it out loud while moving your body, walking, stretching, even dancing. Day 5. Tell a friend your affirmation. Day 6. Journal about how it feels. Day 7. Reflect on what shifted and choose whether to keep going. Section 8. Closing and call to replay. Your brighter existence isn't hiding in a distant future. It's here, in the thoughts you choose today. So, breathe in, choose your words, and watch your life rearrange itself around them. And if you ever forget, replay this. We'll remember together.